Welcome to InfoComm 2019. Here at ProVideoInstruments, we have great news this year. We have the 4K vCoax Pro. It's a revolutionary machine, modular, so you can add and remove cards, add as many channels you want. And most important is a full 4K modulator. So it means that you can inject your HDMI from any 4K source and create channels you can receive on any 4K TV over the coax. Actually, this unit we have on display here is a 24-channel 4K encoder modulator with the capability of delivering both IP streaming and coaxial at the same time, which means that you can receive it also on any IP TV box or mobile devices. Beauty of this machine is that it's a connect all your signal machine. What I mean is you have a tuner where you can connect your roof or indoor antenna to receive local channel, local newscasts, local news televisions. And as well, you have an IP streaming port where you can receive up to 512 IP streams coming from the internet. So you can pick up at the same time internet channels, antenna channels, make it together with the HDMI 4K encoders and output to coaxial and IP streaming in your own network. So this is a real, game changer because finally you can connect all of your signal in one box and distribute it over any coaxial or IP at the same time. For more information, just go to www.provideoinstruments.com and see our promotion also. Thank you for watching.